So, this happened just a few days ago. I wake up in the morning and I find out I'm running a little late. So I rush out, get myself dressed, rush out to the car, jump in the car, and it won't start. Nothing. I mean, I don't got anything. I get out of the car, I pull the hood up, I get out, I open up the hood, and I look, and I put the thing in, and I got the flashlight, on, and I'm trying to see. I go over to the battery, and I play with the battery, and you know the battery stuff. You just do. So then I run in and I jump in the car, and still nothing. Now I have a 5-speed. This is a Isuzu Stylus, so I have a 5-speed, and I'm making sure it's not out of gear, it's in neutral, and I jump out again, and I undo the battery cables, and I clean them, the whole thing, and try to get it to work, hook them all on, get back, and still nothing. And suddenly I look, and it's 25 minutes I've been doing this. So I suddenly run into and call work. I go, hey, I'm sorry, my car won't start. I'm going to try to get there. And they tell me, oh, you got time. You won't have to be here. And I got another hour or so before you even have to be here. I'm like, oh, okay, because I drive a bus. I drive a school bus, and the route I was doing that day didn't go until later. So I run back out to the car, and I'm trying everything. It won't start. And I go back out there, and I shake things, and I look, and I'm shining light. And then my wife walks out. Now, this is early in the morning, because we got to get there early, get the buses started. And so she comes walking out, she goes, what's wrong, honey? And I went, I can't get the car started, it won't start. And she looks at me and she goes, did you push in the clutch? And I went, So I got in the car and I pushed in the clutch and it started right up. I've been starting this car for 10 days. And I can't remember to put the clutch in. But, what I like to say is that, I'm so perfect, I can afford to make mistakes. I don't know how many more mistakes I can make, but that's what I say. Just remember, if you can't laugh at yourself, somebody else will. Sponsored by OrganicBirth.com.